Welcome. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Many people experience constipation from time to time and it can be uncomfortable. In general occasion, constipation occurs when a waste moves through your digestive system too slowly. It can build up and become hard and dry, making stool difficult to pass. Constipation is usually defined as having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week. Even if you're going to bathroom somewhat regularly, trouble passing your stool may be another sign of this condition. What are the symptoms of constipation? Infrequent bowel movements, hard or lumpy stools, straining to have bowel movement, feeling blocked up or like you have fully emptied your bowl, needing help to empty your rectum such as your hands or fingers. If you're watching this video happily, then don't forget to subscribe.
Now I'm going to talk about the ingredient that we're going to use to cure the constipation.
Yes friends, they are nothing but poppy seeds or couscous. Poppy seeds are obtained from opium poppy. Widely used in numerous countries as an ingredient in several dishes, poppy seeds do not contain narcotic properties. Now you're looking at poppy seed pods, and seeds are present within these pods. From improving your digestion to improving cognitive function to helping manage your blood pressure, poppy seeds do it all for you. These are good source of calcium, iron, potassium and magnesium. Poppy seeds are excellent ingredient for improving gut health. As they are rich in fiber, poppy seeds aid bowel movement and help get relief from constipation. Now let us see how to use poppy seeds. Take 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, add few drops of water and crush using pestle and mortar. One teaspoon of this paste, you have to consume it before meal, that's all. Just eat it once before meal and say bye-bye to your constipation. You can eat this remedy twice a day for 3 days or until your constipation completely get cured. Now some words of caution. Eating very large amount of poppy seeds is also possibly unsafe. Eating very large amount can have a reverse effect. It can lead to constipation and blockage of bowels and may be dangerous. Hope you found this video useful.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.